about to roll up this blunt. I got a nug. I got a 10 sack, nigga. What you know about motherfucking sugar? I go around eating fucking big bars. Everywhere I go, I got nice cars. Fuck valet parking. Nigga, it's darking. What the fuck you go in parking? You don't have to park that shit. Just whip out your dick and he'll give you a call. Everywhere I go, I got the push start. I hit the brake and I press the ignition. Everywhere I go, I got a statement of mission. What you know about that? I put you in a submission. Fucking wrestling. Yeah. Even though I'm just messing, roofing, I'm so fucking high. I look up to the sky. I'm about to fucking die. Yeah, we be drinking on the sky with 3 Ys. But you know about that, you niggas whack. Just hella fucking whack. I don't sell crack, I don't sell weed, but everywhere I go, I plant my seeds. I put it in the bitch. He said, Daniel, why you gotta have a little bitch? You have such motherfucking, they call charm. Everywhere I go, I do no harm. They call me a Care Bear, maybe that's a duck, because I don't give a fuck. I'm going too hard, but this is the start. I ride a fucking bike. I don't have a car. A cord. I have a cord running from my battery. You see me? I'm charged with the battery. Yeah. Look at my stats. Look in my pockets. I have no cash. I got a couple quarters working at the corner. Yeah, I got charged with the loiter. Even though I'm from Jersey, I look very fucking dirty, but clean at the same time. What you know, my rap ain't with the dime, but I'm willing to do the fucking time to get that fame, to not be lame. Everywhere I go, I spit my game. Niggas be drunk, but I fucking done, just like Kobe Bryant. Why are you lying? Why are you crying? You cry me a river and stand up the ocean. Your bitch is floating. I gave her some Midol, and then my car's idle. With the sea foam squirting up the smoke. Yeah, we sitting right here drinking Coke with Bacardi. We looking ready to party. Damn, I was going.
You were going.
Ooh.
Michael was going to sleep.
Me too, man.